How to make stickers on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device, and as you launch the Snapchat application, make sure you're logged into your account. Now in order to make stickers on Snapchat, first of all click a picture. Now let me click a picture over here. It's a very random one. Now if you want to make a sticker, you'll be able to see the different menus at the right side of the screen. So what you simply need to do is tap on the scissor icon over here, and as you tap on the scissor icon, here you can see you can redraw the border to refine your selection. You can either draw, you can select a rectangle or an ellipse section. I'm going to tap on draw and I'm just going to make a random picture over here. And as you do that, tap on done, and you can just now take the sticker over here wherever you would want. So let me do it for you again. And you can now just move the sticker wherever you would want. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.